Mm. Oh Lord, this is my story, this is my song. Oh, we walk through seasons of pain and tears, silent prayers through the waiting years, watching others hold what we dreamed, while my wife cried when no one could see. In a world that questions, a world that stares, in an African home where the burden is there, but we held on to your holy word. Be still and know that I am God. When hope was fading, you made a way. You turned our nights into brighter days. I'm a living testimony of your grace and your mercy. You gave me joy for all my pain, turned my loss into gain. Came, we called his name. Heaven opened, nothing's the same. Now I stand and boldly say, God, you made a way. Through every whisper, through every shame, through every question, who was to blame? You held us close, you heard our cry. You never left us, not one time. Then in a season the world stood still, fear all around, but you fulfilled another blessing we never planned. Lisa came by your mighty hand. When doors were closing, you opened light. Yeah, you turned our sorrow into delight. I'm a living testimony of your grace and your mercy. Yeah, you gave me joy for all my pain, turned my loss into gain. KK, we called his name. Heaven opened, nothing's the same. Now I stand and boldly say, God, you made a way. God, you are faithful. I have no words. All the tears turned around into joy. I am a testimony. Your love never ends. You did what you promised. You are God. Godliness and contentment is greater gain. You gave me more than I deserve.